So guys, once again, we have it's our WTI crude oil. Now please, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. We will take a look at this WTI crude oil. I think let's start from the weekly time frame. I think the weekly time frame is better to better understand this movement. First of all, I've added the 10 period moving average, right? So if you are to zoom it out, you see that this price has been above 10 period moving average for a certain period of time. Then all of a sudden, this price actually dropped, broke below the 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading. Once price is below 10 period moving average, right, we have to short it. But if it is above it, then we have to go long. So clearly, we can see that this price is below 10 period moving average, right? So if you look at this movement on the WTI crude, you can see a drop, then we can see a correction here, then you can see a drop again, then a correction was made here, then we add again is our drop, we got this correction, right? You can see here again is another drop, and now a correction has been made. So I know a lot of people were speculating that this price will continue to go up due to the OPEC announcement of reduction in production of oil, right? Once there's a reduction in such oil, then the price will definitely rise. While a lot of people are still saying that this price will continue to drop, right? That will only reflect, or it will only happen in the long run, by the way. So in the long run, the price will actually show if you are to go long or if you are to short. But technically, we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. This is what we are trying to predict, which is on the 12th, right, of October. We would want to actually see this price move on and the next day. So in order to be able to move that, see that price itself, I want us to actually roll down to the daily time frame. So what we clearly can see on the daily time frame is, right, this price, kind of, you saw this bullish move, right? Then a correction happened. We saw this bullish move again and a correction. So where do you think another price will be moving? Definitely we should be seeing its price to actually push up. First of all, price do react at a certain level. When you see that price has reacted at a level multiple times, once price gets to that level, believe me, price will actually react at that same level again. Now, watch this movement. You can see that price once reacted here, right? Take a look at this movement. Then we see it here again. Price once reacted here, and if you take a look at this movement, you see price reacted and also price reacted here. Now that this price have dropped to the same level, of course, we will be expecting price to react, and for price to react, we will be seeing a bullish move on, by the way, on this WTI crude oil. So now that this price has dropped to the same level, we should be expecting price to react at this level by giving us a bullish move. So the next day, we're very much likely to close bullish on WTI crude oil. Though price may drop a little bit, though it might drop a little bit, then a bullish move should happen again. So price should actually react at this same level. We are all expecting price to actually react. Maybe in the long run, it will continue to go bullish. Maybe it will continue to drop. It depends. I don't know. It's up to you to make that decision. But for the next day, where we would want to see this price move to its at, we would want to see this price to react and go up. And another reason why we're very much likely to go bullish is that this price is still above the 10 period moving average. If this price has broken below it, then you might consider going short. But since it is still above the 10 period moving average, then we have to stick to go long. And I think we are still on an uptrend move on the daily time frame. So take a look at this movement upward. Then a correction was made here. We saw this impulse movement, right? Of course, we should be expecting a correction, which we just had. So is the correction over? I think so. It will soon be over, by the way. So because price do react at a certain level. Now price is at this level, we should actually now see that bullish move on WTI crude oil for the day. So it depends on how you want to take the trade. So I personally, I believe WTI crude oil should give us a bullish move on the 12th of October.